What's up?
Where we at?
New property in Connecticut. We're expanding. Bow.
Tony, what's up? Thank you for finding this deal. Where are we? I don't know where I am.
We are in Meriden, Connecticut.
Meriden, Connecticut. I've never heard of Meriden, Connecticut in my life, but it's beautiful. It's nice. We just bought the property behind us. Tony found the deal. He found this through what?
I found this just browsing the internet.
So we ended up doing a partnership on this deal. We're really excited. We're gonna put in a new roof. We got 2 storefronts and 4 apartments. Obviously, we need to renovate the building because it was in really bad shape, but we ended up getting it like at 40 cents on the dollar. We've never bought anything in Connecticut or out of state. This is our first time buying something out of state. It's been a pleasure to work with you. The attorneys were good. Everything was easy. Bro, thank you. We really appreciate you. And we thank you for contacting. I know the guy interrupted us, but I wanted to, again, Tony, thank you for bringing us this deal. Thank you for contacting us. Was it easy working with us? Were we professional?
Definitely professional, definitely easy. I called you up, you're easy to get on the phone.
And Tony was funny because he was like, yo, I had contacted a couple of other people, some hard money deals, guys that were like, oh, you need anything, call us. They never got back to you, right?
Yep.
What was that process like?
Yeah, I mean, it's just, there's a lot of people out there saying, you know, they want to help or they could teach you stuff, but basically, I don't know, a lot of times they just selling you, trying to get money from you and don't really got something to offer you. You know?
And we brought the money.
Yeah.
We brought the money. We came with the money. And so did you, though.
This guy said, yo, just buy over the phone. He was like, listen, just buy the place. We'll figure it out later. He was like, I'll cut the check right now.
The reason for that was the deal is 6,000 square feet, right? If I had to build this fucking place, how much will it cost to build this?
At least 600.
At least 600. So if we got it for, I'm just gonna use this as an example, 200. I can't build this for 200. To build this is gonna be 600.
Yep.
So even if I spend another 100 in renovations, I'm just using rough numbers. We're into it for 300. The ARV I heard is 500 to 600. We're picking up 200 to 300 in equity. I didn't want to throw the numbers out, but I had to. I had to do it, but this is cool. I love the town. It's beautiful. Beautiful day today. We're in front of the oil change place. We got a U-Haul place across the street. There's a Dunkin' Donuts like a half a block away. Our Boots mobile store is unbelievable. We got a Mexican grocery store now. Like this is an honor to own this, bro. And as a kid growing up in the projects, bro, I've never thought that I would be in Connecticut saying, oh, I own this building in Connecticut. And I know you grew up in the city too, right? You grew up in the Bronx. Dom Jr. for years was talking about, yo, we need to get some stores. We need to get some mixed use.
Get some buildings.
And we need to get some buildings. And then we finally got it. 68 or 65, something like that. Yo, funny story. So I sent my roofer over here because I heard the roof is fucked up and he's like $30,000, $40,000 in repairs, right? So he comes on a Sunday and he's like, yo, I'm on the roof. We're gonna fix it. And he goes, who's gonna work on the inside? I'm like, I don't know, because we're getting water from the roof all the way down, so all the apartments need to be renovated. He goes, yo, I got cousins that live in Connecticut, like 10 minutes away. I'm like, bro, you're like 2.5 hours away from New Jersey, and he has cousins that live in town. So my roofer is not only gonna take care of the roof, he's gonna take care, his cousins are gonna take care of the apartments. That's like going to Dunkin' Donuts, like in New Jersey, and then walking into the Dunkin' Donuts and say, yo, I know your brother in New Jersey. So I thought that was funny. I thought I had to tell you guys this story, and I had to tell you guys this story. So
that was like,
we already got the roofer, and we already got the interior guys. Plus, they're a Mexican grocery store. They have a lot of labor. They said they'll give us whatever we want. So we're good on that. We're good on that. Again, we're so happy that we did this deal. And if you have deals for us, call us. We're ready, and we want to do it. Boom.